Ka office u district sports officer ribhoy ha ka ar phakandai tarik unailar kalara khiya ka sngi kerpang jangkinong ile akai ha kijing ile akai ba pher lani ga blatip kum ka national sports day bat ka jingra khiya ka ni ka sngi ka long ru kum shibanta ban pendan buram ya ka sngi kha jang major Dhyan Chand urang ile akai hockey ka India Hakani ka sngi la pelong e kijing Iakop e kijing le akai Tyllai ka balatip kum ka Mawpoint bat kijing Iatan Tyllai tak ka fwa ha ka balawan banishmenta de kin rew tli school ki balajet kerpang nakaliang ka office UTSO ha ka te kijing Iakop ye le akai ha ka Mawpoint ye ka nam ladu la yo bandra de ka riboy Presbyterian Synod English Secondary School bat ka Christian High Secondary School kalawan baar bat ka Morning Star Secondary School kalawan balai Hagajing Iakop dan Tyllai pat ke St. Paul's High Secondary School kalalong kalado bat ke Christian High Secondary School kalawan baar bat ke RBP High Secondary School kalawan balai. Hagate ke sengi kerpang lawan bansa Shillong do samla Anthony Sim urang yele akai MMA bapau nam jong gajela kakong VE Nyota MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner Riboy District ba Bobby L. Nongben DSO Riboy uba Course Marwen ubade unong hikai limpat jong samla Anthony uba Daminot Shillong Athletics Secretary ka RBDSA ki staff ka DSO kinong hikai bat kiwe.
I'd like to thank to the office of the DSEO of the Riboy District for this opportunity to give today. As we know that the government of India has declared to the 9th of August the National Sports Day to honor our late hockey hero Major Dhyan Chand. As we celebrate the National Sports Day, we first have to understand who is a sports person and what makes him or her so. A sports person is a person who is hardworking, dedicated, and passionate about what he or she doing. But is it enough? No. To be an able sport person, you will first have to discipline, responsibility, dedicated, and hardworking. Being an able sport person is not just about being successful. It is also about paving a way for others. As we all know, that games and sports are absolute necessaries to keep our mind, body, and spirit healthy, and at the same time, over the decades, it has become a very good source of earning, livelihood, fame, and honor. At this moment, I would like to urge all of fellow citizens, especially youth, to invest all their skills and intelligence in the region field so that you can bring pride and glory not only to you and your family, but also to the community and nation as a whole.
National Sports Day Bengiju pelong haka 3 August malausnam temtausnam bagi celebrate kumju jadi nak minta kon celebrate mo haka anniversary jong hockey legend jugi Dhyan Chand de haju por mentasi ile ki artli ki jing ile kai ki ono ki indigenous games mo unka Mawpoint bat ka tak over de ngila shu invite di teams kontak kasin marba hakashisi dengan ma pada pun pelan pun de bagi tenat ha belum ba kacing nakai de benar setiap nak tang pangje pada bentar ngidang sudah ngidang syukur bat ka Mawpoint kelong gue ka kacing nakai ka bangi lu dangret lalu mencuang ngi nakai de mentah pot ka ada gawe ka indigenous games bagi hapan million pen imbiang Iatan bagi kena gilakai berkelai suatu kena gilakai bun sen lagi bun bagi gilakai kami gilakai kinum kenal cuy por syua kunung gilakai gilakai ke Mawpoint nada ketak of war ngi le amdasi berka taruh ka degawe nak kini indigenous games bagi Kawang promote de haju por pasti kalau buat Iatan kalau basnat bagi yang kenal biang ini ka 9 August as the National Sports Day di kalau ke ba ni mitasi la yo dapat nak try ke hal yang jungi na office of district sports office ni semua ba ka ada kasi job